Welcome back to Alpha Active Learning. So, today Standard 6th Mathematics topic multiplication and division of fractions. Children, to do this thing, you must understand addition and subtraction of fractions thoroughly. Once your concepts are clear, this is a very basic concept which you must know thoroughly. So, let's go ahead. What is the multiplication of fraction? Let us take an example of 2 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 4, or we can say 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 4. Whether it is into or multiply, meaning is same. So, first we'll see a fraction 2 upon 3. So, let's take a rectangle. As it is 2 upon 3, we make 3 parts. Clear? Now we want 2 upon 3. So we'll color it 2 part of this thing. So this pink color's portion is 2 upon 3. Now with the same given figure, we will show them 3 upon 4. That means I need to show 4 parts. So let's show this fourth part by drawing the horizontal lines. Now can you see this 4 part? Now from this 4 part we want 3 part. So let's color this again, this part. So now I am covering all the 3 upon 4th part like this. Now children, if you observe the given figure, there are certain part which are belongs to 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. Just observe them. Here you can see pink line and blue line. So this common part is nothing but our multiplication. Now observe how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means when you multiply this thing, 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 4, 2 3s are 6. So here we have multiplied 6. Now count the total number of this square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes, the total counts, the total square are 12. And you look at here, 3 4s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Is it clear? So what we have done actually children, when multiplying two fractions, the product means the answer we get it after multiplication, is the product of the numerator is written in the numerator and that of denominator is in the denominator. That means we have two fraction and numerator denominator. So what we will do? We'll multiply numerator into numerator. We multiply denominator into denominator. Whatever is the answer, that is the product. That is the answer of your multiplications. Am I clear? Now let's see here. 7 upon 5 into 1 upon 4. Rule numerator into numerator. 7 ones are 7. 5 fours are 20. Now be ready. It's very easy. Second, guess what it will be? Yes, 12 upon 35. Third, 5 fours are 20. 9 nines are 81. Fifth one, 1 sevens are 7. 5 twos are 10. Sixth, here 9 sevens are 63 and 7 eights are 56. But children, if somebody writes here 9 upon 8, then also it is correct because 7 and 7 get cancelled. 7 ones are 7. And the seventh answer, 30 upon 30, that is 1 because 30 ones are 30. Right? So this is very easy one. Now, reciprocals or multiplicative inverse. Let us understand the meaning of word inverse. Inverse means flip करना, पलटना, up and down करना, top का bottom करना, right? So you just invert anything. So reciprocal has the same meaning. Now 5 upon 6 into 6 upon 5. If you multiply them, you will get 30 upon 30. 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 3. Again, your answer will be 6 upon 6. Now, 4 into 1 upon 4. Here only 4 is written. That means the denominator has 1. So, 4 upon 4. Now, children, if you divide 30 upon 30, my answer will be 1. 6 ones are 6. 4 ones are 4. Now, look at here. When I am multiplying 5 upon 6 into 6 upon 5, my answer is 1. With 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 3, answer is 1. And 4 into 1 upon 4, answer is 1. That means, if you observe them, 5 upon 6 का inverse, उसका उल्टा 6 upon 5 है. 3 upon 2 को पलट लेंगे, flip करेंगे, 2 upon 3 मिलेगा. 4 को flip करेंगे, 1 upon 4 मिलेंगे. तो ये जो नंबर है 6 upon 5, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 4, we call it as a multiplicative inverse और reciprocal. तो जो न्यूमरेटर है वो डिनोमिनेटर बन जाएगा, जो डिनोमिनेटर है it will become numerator and their product is always 1. So 6 upon 5, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 4 here are known as multiplicative inverse or reciprocals. So what is the definition? When the product of two number is 1, each of the number is a multiplicative inverse. That means 6 upon 5 का क्या होगा multiplicative inverse? 5 upon 6. 2 upon 3 का होगा 3 upon 2. 1 upon 4 का भी होगा 1. So they are reciprocal of each other. Okay. So remember. Now, very important. What is the reciprocal of 1? Yes, it is always 1 because even if you invert it, you will get the answer 1. So this is the only number whose reciprocal is the number itself. Now, 0 does not have reciprocal because the moment you write 1 upon 0, it becomes meaningless. So 0 does not have reciprocal. So, write the reciprocal of the following numbers. We write 1 upon 7, 11 upon 3 is 3 upon 11, 13 upon 5, 1 upon 2. Now 9, that means 1 upon 9, 31 upon 17, just usko flip kar do, 17 upon 31. So if you are thorough with this, the division sums is very easy. Now coming to division of fractions. We have seen multiplication. Now what is division? To divide a number by a fraction is nothing but multiply it by the reciprocal of the fractions. Once again, division करना मतलब उसी के reciprocal से उसे multiply करना. Let's see one example. Look at this circle having the blue color part. I can write this fraction as 1 upon 2, right? I want to divide this with another circle having 6 parts. So it is 6. The colored part is green color, that is 1. So 1 upon 6. So I can write this picture, I can write this figure as 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 6. Now what we will do? To divide this, we'll make the smaller fraction equal to that of the bigger one. So here there are 6 parts. We make this again 6 part of here. तो ये जो blue वाला circle है मैंने उसके 6 part कर दिए. But when I am making 6 parts, I can see 3 parts colored. Right? Here 6 parts are there. I can see 1 part color. So now both the denominator are same. But here numerator is 1. Here numerator is 3. That means when I take a common part, my answer will be 3. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3. Is it clear? Okay. So what we have to follow the rule? Remember, if you have a fraction 1 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 5, the first is keep the first fraction as it is. 1 upon 3 को as it is रखना है. Second करना है changed. division will change to multiplication. And third करना है flip. मतलब जो 4/5 रहेगा उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखना है. We have to invert it, we have to reverse it, we have to flip it. मतलब न्यूमरेटर का डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर का न्यूमरेटर. And so now you can see 1/3 into 5/4. Now children, it's very easy. 5 ones are 5, 4 threes are 12 is your answer. Okay. Now carry out the following division. Keep, change, flip. हमारा रूल क्या है? KCF. Keep, change, flip. So first sum 2/3 divided by 1/4. Keep यानी पहला as it is. Change, division change to multiplication. And flip 1/4 हो जाएगा 4/1. And so the answer is 2 4s are 8. Okay. So now we'll do it for everyone, right? Keep, change, flip. So here this will be 2/3. 3/7, change, flip. Again keep, change, flip. And now it is so easy. 2 4s are 8/3. This is 10/27, 33/35 and 77/48. So remember the formula, keep, change, flip. Now let's solve the sums based on the verbal information. इसे कहते हैं word problem. To solve this, we need to read the sum carefully. Mrs. Kadam owns 42 acres of farmland. If she planted wheat on 2/7 of the land, on how many acres has she planted wheat? Mrs. Kadam owns यानी उनके पास है, क्या है? 42 acres का एक बड़ा सा farmland है. Now, she planted wheat on 2/7 of the land. Of का मतलब ही है multiplications. So we have यहाँ पे हम कहेंगे we must find out कि 2/7 part जो है वो 42 acres का कितना है, right? So we must find out 2/7 of 42 acres. So as I said, of means multiplications. So we write 2/7 into 42. Now we know 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42. So we cancel this. So now 2 and 6 are remaining in the numerator. 2 6 are 12, and that means Mrs. Kadam has planted wheat on 12 acres of land. Whenever word problems are there, your final answer also should be in word. Clear, children? Now, next. There are 6 blocks of jaggery, each of 1 kilogram. If one family requires 1.5 kg jaggery every month, for how many families will this block suffice? Now, first of all, we need to understand that this sum is of multiplication or division. So again, there are 6 blocks of jaggery. Jaggery यानी गुड़. 6 blocks है. Each of 1 kilogram. Now, if one family requires 1.5, 6 blocks है and we required 1.5 kg. So what is 1.5 actually? 1/2 और ये होता है 3/2. अब मतलब one family को कितना चाहिए? 3/2. Now we have 6 blocks, right? So how many families will this block suffice? यानी इनमें से हमें 3/2 एक को देना है. That means we are dividing, right? So it's a division. So total कितने block है? 6. So 6 divided by 3/2. Now this is a division. So rule क्या कहता है? Keep, change, flip. So 6 into 2/3. Reciprocal of 3/2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. And hence we can say 6 blocks will suffice for 4 families. Okay children, thank you so much. Do like, comment and share the video and stay tuned to Alpa Active Learning.